An application programming interface, or API, put simply, is a way for different applications to communicate with each other. It serves as a middleman between the client or user and the server. The server then handles the request, returns a response back to the API, and then back to the user. If you notice, the client never interacts directly with the server. It only communicates to the server through the API. Consider this example. You go to a restaurant. You don't just go straight to the kitchen and tell them what you want, right? You read the menu, you place an order with the waiter tells the kitchen what to prepare, the kitchen then prepares your food and gives it back to the waiter, who then delivers your food to you. You never see what actually goes on in the kitchen, how your food is made. Think of the weather app on your phone. The app doesn't just generate the data on its own for temperature, precipitation, humidity, things like that. And Apple also hasn't set up their own weather stations all around the world. What they use is a weather service API, like weather.com, where they send a request to the API, and the API processes this request, sending back the data of the weather in a format that a human can read, like JSON, which looks very similar to Python dictionaries. So if you know how to read those, should be pretty good. Then the app is built around using this data and displaying it in a user-friendly way. This isn't the only thing APIs can do. There are thousands of APIs out there. There's APIs for sending emails, implementing payment processing, and even YouTube has an API you can use. So be sure to check out the documents for whatever API you want to use for step-by-step instructions how to use that specific API. And that is APIs explained as fast as possible. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like. And if you'd like a tutorial of how to build some programs using data collected from APIs, hit subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thank you for watching.